All right, we're back with more packs, trying to find that Babe Ruth, trying to find that 1992 autograph card. Put inside these packs, there was 20,000 autograph cards. I'm just looking for one of them. Do I have an Ed Walsh autograph? Let's find out. The Tabasco Kid, that would have been a great autograph. Would have loved to have a Tabasco Kid autograph. Lefty Gomez, Art Neff, Lefty O'Doul, another Babe Ruth. Guys, we're hitting back-to-back Babe Ruths. Let's go. Let's go. No autographs. All right, we'll do another pack. We got time. The Babe Ruths, I like Babe Ruth. All right, John Whitehead. That would be a fun autograph, right? All right. They're all stuck together. That is a good sign. That says to me there's something different about this pack. Like it has an autograph in it. This one's an error. Too much on top, not enough on the bottom. Hippo Vaughn, come on. Let's get a Hippo Vaughn autograph in here. They're all stuck. Oh, this is gonna be too long to be a short. I can't redo it. I can't put them back in the pack. Ripper Collins, Jojo White, Benny Koff, John Whitehead, no autograph. What? Why were they all stuck together like that? Why did it feel like there was more cards in that pack than usual? I don't know. I haven't been counting. All right, guys, let's. This is going to have to be a regular YouTube video. It's too long to be a short. So like, comment, and subscribe. It definitely helps with these regular YouTube videos to make sure that I can get ad revenue eventually. So watch this video multiple times. Share it. Like, comment, subscribe. All that stuff, because this is a regular YouTube video. This isn't a short, so I have to say it. Hit the bell icon. Other YouTube stuff. Thanks for watching.